A common job in a body shop is removing and replacing inner door parts such as this window regulator and motor. So today we're going to take a quick look at how to do that. Most door panels today will have bolts or screws hidden behind the handles, such as this guy right here and that guy. In addition to the screws and bolts, door panels snap into place using these little plastic clips. Popping the door panel off is not as easy as it sounds. Sometimes you have to come under there with a plastic tool like this, and most of the times this will not do it. The plastic won't do it by itself. It might bend. So what you can do is slide under there, keep that under there, and then get a stronger tool like this. Slide in there and pry one way or the other. And this guy doesn't bend, and I'll put the link in the video description. Another thing that works is once you get the plastic door panel away from the metal, you can grip under the door and get near those pins and pop it out like that. The cable that goes to the door latch has a ball that fits into the handle and a clip. So you undo that clip and then manipulate this ball out of the handle. The electrical connections usually have a little tab that you press on. You press that down and pull it out. To me, removing the door panel is the hardest part of the job. After that, you'll remove this plastic, and you'll want to save this because it breaks the wind. Gently remove that, and you can access the motor and the regulator. The glass can be held in the up position using tools like this, or just simply masking tape. Then typically you'll have two bolts clamping the glass to the regulator right here and here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts holding the regulator. And we're just going to loosen these bolts up here that clamp the regulator to the glass. And remove these. It's always good to make sure the replacement works before you install it. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video on replacing window regulators and other door parts. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.